Bet on yourself. Don't allow all of these other. We're all talented. If you have a dream and you feel like you have the talent to do it, then do it. There's plenty of time to be able to fail while you're doing it. But you can't figure out how good you actually are unless you try it, unless you do it. And so my biggest advice is bet on yourself, invest in yourself, see yourself on the big stage, and see yourself, having, competing against some of the world's greatest. Don't be afraid to dream that big. It's okay to, and believe that you can be amongst some of the greats, and really take the time to practice, take the time to be okay with messing up here and there so you can figure out how you can become